Damn. There's another 200. They hit our guy's car.
A Russian soldier serving with the 136th Separate Motorized Rifle Brigade says that his commanders have not paid salaries since July 2024, are refusing to allow the wounded to get a medical examination, are withholding injury compensation, and have marked him for execution. The unnamed soldier has recorded a video, which has been published on the Soldier's Truth Telegram channel. He lists a series of abuses by the commander of his Dagestan-based unit and says he is suing the military prosecutor's office at Baynaksk in Dagestan. According to the soldier, the prosecutors are doing everything they can to cover up the commander of Unit 63,354. They are all in cahoots there and are not going against each other. Regarding the VVK Military Medical Commission, they do not let anyone go to the VVK on principle. They tear up the written reports with the note, "We have an order not to let anyone go to the VVK." Another nuance is that since July 3rd, they have stopped paying salaries, emphasis at all. Money is categorically not paid at all to an inconvenient person, emphasis at all. Another nuance is that the military unit receives all registered mail, because I send it by Russian post registered with notification. For example, I even wrote a report for material assistance, but the postal employees contacted me and said that the company commander refused to sign, will not sign, and did not sign. Another important addition is that during this time, my biological father died in the special military operation in the Luhansk region. May the kingdom of heaven be his. A report was written about not sending him to the special military operation and was sent to the unit commander, and accordingly, he did not respond to this report, just as he ignored it in the same way in my case. In general, in the fight for this justice, for my injury, for which I am not paid money, it also turns out that I put myself on the list for zeroing execution. The battalion commander, who is on the front line, very clearly said that I will be zeroed out. The unit commander adheres to this and helps him in every possible way. Law enforcement agencies such as the Military Investigation Department and the Military Prosecutor's Office cover up the unit commander in every possible way. That's the situation. In the occupied part of Kherson region, Russians are complaining about birds.
Damn. There's another 200. They hit our guy's car. Those fucking bastards. Stinking Ukrainians. Fuck, what a mess. The dude's neck is like that. I think you are working hard. What? Holy shit, damn, what a hole, damn it. Oh, those fucking bastards shooting, damn. Alright, let's get out of here, damn. Look how many of us have gathered. That's the kind of shit we're dealing with today.
The command decided that war is no excuse for weakness. So now even sick soldiers with crutches and mental instability have a unique opportunity to go on the attack. After all, what could be scarier than a soldier? Only a soldier on crutches who also coughs on the enemy. Maximum efficiency, zero excuses.
Here, damn, G30, 30 days of leave. You're going to the front line now, by the way. I also carry G15 at the front. Damn, where the hell, damn, man, do you want all of us to heal? Well, here's the damn sneaker for you, damn, I can give it to you. Go ahead, damn. Hey, you damn mouth. People, right? Signed the contract, everything's fine. Served, right? Went into battle 5 times, 2 strong injuries, and a severe brain injury. The psych ward declared without weapons. Now they're sticking weapons on me and bringing me to the front line. Damn bastards.
An expensive Russian 96L6E radar system, which ensures the operation of the S-300 and S-400 anti-aircraft systems, was on fire in Crimea. Krimsky Vader Telegram channel published the video of the fire. It is reported that the Russian radar system caught fire while moving along the Yevpatorian highway in the town of Saki. The cause of the fire is currently unknown. However, the video shows that the flames spread behind the cab, where the engine and transmission compartment of the vehicle are located. The footage captures that the flames have completely engulfed the antenna of the radar system, which is located above the driver's cab in a traveling position. The antenna module is a key element of the station, which contains sensitive devices. Such a fire would have rendered the vehicle completely inoperable and required lengthy repairs. This radar station is used as part of the S-400 air defense system to detect high-altitude and medium-altitude targets and is the primary means of radar detection of anti-aircraft systems. The station is integrated into the overall control and monitoring system, allowing it to work with other radar stations in the system. The radar system operates in the X-band, and the maximum range of air target detection declared by the manufacturer is 300 kilometers. The antenna array shown in the video is made using AFAR technology, which provides high resolution and the ability to quickly scan the airspace. Its elements are made of complex metal alloys and are extremely sensitive to high temperatures. The contract holder, a soldier from the 34th Mountain Motorized Rifle Brigade, is surprised by the level of equipment. A helmet, a flak jacket with a thin plate, and rust. But the main thing is that they gave him a shovel. He can dig himself a hole.
Kind of reset, Rusty. They gave out, man, a vest over there, new, sealed. Haha. We'll provide you with everything you need, damn it. Light as hell, like you can't even feel the plate. Here it is, here's the plate, man. Yes, not great. Well, it's kind of like that gear. No groin guard, no butt guard, no knee pads, no neck guard, nothing. Just purely a t-shirt like this.
Macron hints at deploying French nukes in Europe, replacing the US. Emmanuel Macron suggested that France could station its nuclear weapons on Allied territories to fill the gap if the US withdraws its nukes from Europe, writes Le Figaro. Paris is ready to deepen nuclear cooperation with European partners. Macron says France may coordinate with Allied militaries on deterrence. Joint nuclear drills could become a reality to strengthen strategic culture among Europeans. Nuclear issues shouldn't be feared, he added, stressing that France's nuclear doctrine remains unchanged. Big shift in European security, or just a warning to Washington?
Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Also, if you want to support Warthog Defense, please become our member and get early access to new videos, exclusive members-only videos, and become administrator in comment section. The membership link is in the description.
Every day. We had a guy last week at 6 rescues in 6 days. You know, he's doing the job every day.